guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeba, and if you're new here, please go and subscribe to my channel below and press the bell button for more new updates. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my new makeup look. So yes, starting with the prepping my skin. So here I'm using this Pond's moisturizer. Oh my god, this is my favorite one. And now I'm just massage it well until my skin feels hydrated. So yes, I'm just massaging so well. So I'm done with the moisturizer. Next I'm using this aloe vera gel instead of a primer, so it works as a barrier between my base and my face. I'm gonna just apply on my open pores, जहाँ पे भी आपके open pores हो, so you can apply there. So I'm just applying on mid of my face, and now I'm just gonna massage it. Here I'm done with the aloe vera gel. Next I'm using this lip balm from Wet n Wild to hydrate my lips, because in winters our lips look so chapped and feel so chapped. And next I'm using this Lakme 925. I feel this is lighter than our normal foundation, so I'm just using this instead of a foundation on a daily basis on no makeup lip makeup look. But I'm mixing the moisturizer into this. I'm just gonna mix those two products with each other, and then I'll just apply both the products on my face, because I feel 9 to 5 is a little bit dry for my skin. That's why I'm just mix some moisturizer into it, then I'll just blend it with some beauty blender. I'm done with the foundation. Next I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I will just use very little amount of concealer, as this is a very no makeup look. That's why on daily basis I'll just use this amount. I think this is so enough for my dark circles. I'm just blending this with my beauty blender. I'm done with the concealer. Next I'm gonna use this blush on from Avon, and this is very less pigmented, so on no makeup look we can apply this, or you can apply any regular blush on which you like. Next I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil to fill my brows, and this eyebrow pencil is from Swiss Beauty. I feel this brown shade works better than the black one, so it look more natural. Done with the brows. Next I'm using this curler for my lashes, so my lashes become more curly and long. You just have to wait for 5 seconds and your lashes look bomb. Next I'm gonna use this Maybelline mascara, and oh my god, I really love this mascara. It just make my lashes so thick, so long in just one stroke of it, and the wand of this mascara is super good. So I will highly recommend you. For my lips, I'm just gonna use this Huda Beauty Nude Lip Gloss, and I really love this gloss, or you can say lipstick, whatever you want to say. I really love this. The shade, the consistency, and the pigmentation of this lipstick or lip gloss is super good. And tada! Now we are done with our no makeup look. Yes, meet you in the next video. Till then, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yes, bye bye.